Hello my friends, welcome to this market commentary with Axiory. Tuesday started with interest rate rise in Australia, 25 basis points as expected, but you can see that Australian dollar is currently going lower. What's the reason? Well, the reason is inside of the statement from the Reserve Bank of Australia, which is more dovish than expected. So Reserve Bank of Australia hinted that maybe the pause is coming and maybe they will not raise rates aggressively as previously thought. So the pause is coming, maybe we'll get one more rise, maybe two, maybe they will be not so big as previously expected. So this is a negative information for the Australian dollar, and you can see that Australian dollar to American dollar is currently on the long-term lows. A breakout of the yellow support, that will be a proper sell signal, and that's just a continuation of this beautiful head and shoulder pattern. On euro to Australian dollar, on the other hand, we are testing long-term highs here from the end of December. Maybe we're gonna have a small correction, but in the long term the sentiment is definitely positive here. Another information today is that Jerome Powell from Fed, of course, will testify today in Congress, today and tomorrow. So he will have to answer many difficult questions, probably, and the main concern of politicians would be if he can combat the inflation and do that by not hurting the economy. So politicians, of course, they would love to see lower inflation, they would love to see people stop complaining about rising prices, but at the same time they want the economy to expand, they want the economy to grow, and they feel that this is the task of Jerome Powell, to kill the inflation but keep the growth. So definitely Jerome Powell will have some difficult questions to answer. And you can see that I will talk about indices. S&P 500 created a reversal. It looks optimistic in front of before this event. DAX looks optimistic as well. We are on the long-term highs. Most probably we're gonna push higher, and Dow Jones also looks pretty good. 4 bullish days in a row. But again, after 4 bullish days in a row, maybe we should expect some kind of a bearish correction. Nevertheless, the sentiment ahead of speech from Jerome Powell, sentiment on indices is positive. Thanks very much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your trading.